Welcome back to our channel. My name is Princess and this is my corner. Today we're going to talk about a topic, and it's so essential for maintaining healthy and growing hair, and that is finger detangling. Now, it's a gentle and effective way to, minimize hair breakage and promote hair growth naturally. And that's what I usually do and advise people who want to grow their hair to do. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process and provide tips for a successful finger detangling routine. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, let's start with clean and wet hair. Wash your hair first. Well, we know, I always tell people that you should detangle your hair before you wash your hair. But let's start with clean and wet hair, or let's just start with wet hair. This can be done in the shower or by using a water spray bottle to dampen your hair. Okay, now take your favorite conditioner. Let's assume that you want to detangle your hair, finger detangle your hair before you wash or after you wash. Whatever is the case, my best is like go for it before you even wash your hair. You'd see less tangles on your hair. Now take your favorite conditioner. Make sure there is a moisturizing or a detangling conditioner and apply a generous amount to your hair. Okay, apply it like so. Apply enough. Okay, if you think that your hair is still dry, you can spray your hair a little more and go on with your conditioner. Work it into your hair. To make the detangling process easier, divide your hair into manageable sections. You can use hair clips or hair ties or make bantu knots to secure the sections. Okay, and then here's where the magic happens. Using your fingers, start detangling your hair from the tips and work your way up to the roots. You need to be gentle and patient in this phase. You really need it. You really need patience and gentle with your strands. And you do that to avoid unnecessary breakage. You have kept this hair in protective style and you have got some growth. You don't want to lose those. So you want to be careful. I mean, really, really careful with this stage. Now, I would like to mention the importance of using your fingers instead of a comb, because the tangling can happen for some people. They do it with a comb and they're in a rush and they're in a hurry. But the importance of using your fingers instead of a comb at first, to brush your hair, is to minimize breakage. Now, what are the tips to ensure successful finger detangling for hair growth? First, as I said, take it in sections, smaller sections, manageable sections, especially if your hair is very tangled or you have high density of hair. Use your fingers to feel for knots, because with your fingers you can feel the knots and the tangles, and then you can gently work them out. I've noticed that this has changed the whole game for my hair. Whenever I'm helping anyone, I advise them, let's start with finger detangling, and I can feel it. Even if my eyes are closed, I can feel the knots and the tangles, and then I can work them out, take them out gradually, take out that strand that is tying the other strands out. Now, if you encounter a particular stubborn knot, apply more conditioner or oil to it. Just take some oil, little conditioner, and work it through slowly. Work the conditioner or the oil through the hair slowly. Always detangle in a downward motion. That motion helps following the natural direction of your hair. Be patient. Take your time. Rushing can lead to breakage. I'm repeating this over and over again. Now, once you have successfully detangled all sections, you can rinse out the conditioner if it's a rinse out conditioner, and then you'll be left with smooth, tangle free hair ready for washing. If you are detangling before washing your hair or shampooing your hair will be ready for washing. And if you're doing it after washing your hair will be ready for styling. Now, I'd like to note and emphasize that finger detangling is a fantastic way to promote hair growth while minimizing damage. Some people will finger detangle and they are good to go. They will not really need a comb, but that takes a lot of time and you need real patience. Some people will go on and get a little brush and brush through, or take a white tooth comb and go on to comb a little more. That's your preference. Incorporate this technique into your regular hair care routine and you'll notice a positive change in your hair health and length over time. Hair length, hair growth takes some time. You need to be patient with your hair. You need to be patient with yourself. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or additional tips, share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, my friends, to personally take care of your hair. Take care of yourself. Tender, loving care. Love your hair just the way it is. It is your crown. Carry it with confidence. You are just beautiful the way you are. You are wonderful and specially made by God. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.